The NPR32A22 cordless press tool is designed for both professional and novice mechanical needs. This cordless press tool helps allow the user to install water and air supply lines without the need for skilled knowledge in sweating installation. It also reduces the quality control issues associated with traditional soldering and brazing methods when installing copper tubing. The NPR32 uses press technology to crimp the copper fittings together rather than using heat and solder techniques to connect them. This eliminates the need for open flames and fumes during maintenance work. The tool's inline design and rotating head allows the user to get to those hard-to-reach places, along with a built-in LED light to illuminate dark areas. The NPR32 is also covered under Hilti's industry-leading 22-1 warranty. A professional-grade tool that is easy for all users, the NPR32A22 is the ideal solution for better productivity and more reliability on your next mechanical project. We're here to help you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.